2003 Jaguar X-Type. And we're going to mess with the seats today. Okay. And they do that pretty well, which is cool. But it's, oh yeah, that's great. That's awesome. So, we're going to be yanking out the seats. Pretty straightforward on these, actually. Let's see, there's a 10 there. There's a 10 over there. And there's two 10s here in the back. So let's get to it. Okay, so once you get the seat out, well, not out, the bolts out, to get your seat maneuvered around, so what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to pull out this doodad there. You have to take this trim panel off. Take this trim panel off so you can get access eventually to there. That's going to let you take your seat belt off so you can get it out. And then in addition to all that, then you're going to have to fight with all this wiring here. Disconnect them all. Disconnect them from the plug in the front here. And yeah, it's a good time. They really went overboard as far as making this as difficult as possible. So you can see it's got 3 motors, so basically 6-way power seat. You got your back, you got your up and down, I guess. And then you've got, of course, the transmission and motor here that connects to the 2 sets of rails. And it doesn't take much to have these things literally go off the rails, and when they do, it's a pain. It's just horrible. It's just a frickin' disaster. So anyway, so rather than just mess with each one individually or screw around or whatever, no, we're not going out like that. We're just gonna replace this whole motor track assembly. And success. There you go. So, 2 hours later, everything's good.